tayong given dito at gagamitin po natin yung basic derivative. So, kukunin lang po natin yung derivative. Four times 3. So, 12x. Then, minus lang po yung 3 sa 1. So, magiging squared. Same lang din po sa negative 3 times 2 equals negative 6. Dito is 2 lang yung so 2 lang yung derivative plus 2. So, ito na po yung answer. That's the answer for number 24. So, meron po tayong given dito. At gamitin po natin ngayon is high order derivative. Meron po tayong given x raised to 5 minus 5x raised to 3 plus 4x. So, kukunin lang natin yung fifth derivative. So, 5 times 1 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Dito din po sa kabila. 5 times 3 is 15. 1 minus 3 is 2. 4 since 4 lang yung value. So, 4 lang yung derivative. Next, kukunin po natin yung second derivative. So, 5 times 4 is 20. X, 4 minus 1 is 3. Same lang din po. Negative 15 times 2 is minus 30x. 0 na po yung derivative ng 4. Then, kunin na din po natin yung third derivatives. Ulitin lang po yung 20 times 3 is 60. 3 minus 1 is 2 raised to squared. Yung derivative ng x is negative 30. Then, yung fourth derivative. 60 times 2 is 120x. Then, 0 na po yung 30. Then, yung fifth derivative is, yung derivative ng x is 120. So, that's the answer for number 26. The answer is letter A. So, meron tayong given dito. Gagamitin naman natin yung chain rule para makuha yung derivative. So, lalagay lang sa ilalim yung 4. Then, copy the inside. 4x raised to squared minus negative 3x plus 2. Since yung 4 is ma-minus po sa 1, so magiging 3. Then, yung derivative po ng inside is 4 times 2 is 8x. Then, yung derivative ng 3x is negative 3. Yung 2 po is 0. So, ito na po yung answer. For number 29, the answer is letter D. Meron po tayong given dito. Then, gagamitin po natin yung product and quotient rule para makuha yung derivative. So, meron tayong formula dito. gagamitin natin para makuha yung derivative. Kunin muna natin yung f and f prime. Then g and g prime. So yung f is x. Yung f prime is 1 siya. Derivative ng x. Then yung g is x squared plus 1. Then yung g prime is yung derivative ng x squared. 2 squared. Right? 2x pala. Then, evaluate lang. 1 open parenthesis x squared plus 1 bracket open parenthesis x ay 2x, then yung f is x, close parenthesis bracket over g squared. Yung g squared po natin is squared lang po yung g, so squared lang po yung g is squared. Copy. Then 1 times x squared is x squared. 1 times 1 is 1. Then ganun din po yun sa kabila. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x squared. Then copy the denominator. X squared plus 1 raised to 2. Then ito na po yung answer for number